Hi guys, it's Roke from Niger Foodie. So today we're going to be making Wara Soya aka Beske aka tofu. In here I have soybeans that are kind of soaked overnight, so you can kind of see that it's not dry, it's plump. You want to soak it overnight. Next, we're going to be blending the soybeans. So put it in a blender, add a little bit of water, and blend. Once the soybeans is well blended, we're going to sieve. So the goal of this process is just to separate the milk from the chaff. I'm using a sieve bag, the one we typically would use for pap. You can also use cheesecloth if you're abroad, or you can find regular sieve at like your local Asian market or your regular supermarket. So the goal is just to separate the milk from the chaff here. All separated and ready to use, and you can kind of see that the chaff is clean. If it's milky at this point, you want to add a little bit more water and squeeze. So I'm adding the collected milk to a big pot. You want to use a big pot because soy milk has tendency to boil over. And then I boil the milk for about 20 minutes and it's ready. I'm using a coagulant here. The coagulant I'm using is from the Asian market and it's called gypsum. You can also use, well, traditionally omyogi is used, which is like the water that you collect from pap. You can also use lemon or lime. And I'm just showing you here that the milk is starting to coagulate. Yeah, so just to do a quick check and then cover it. So the milk is no longer boiling at this point, at the point that I added the coagulant. And then after about 10ish minutes, you can kind of see that all of the milk is coagulated and you have like clean water. Now I'm collecting the coagulated milk and adding it to a bag. And the goal here is to take out as much water as humanly possible. So squeeze and then just wrap the tofu in the bag. Here I tried to use this kind of beans. It wasn't heavy enough. So I know we all have weights at home that we bought when we were feeling fit famish. Go and carry the weight and put it on. At least it's being used. So after about 24 hours, I kind of rested the tofu and collected all of the water. This is what we have. So here is the point where you have tofu and it's actually edible at this point. You don't have to continue to cook it. It's ready to eat. But traditionally, it will be seasoned. I'm using pepper, salt, some seasoning cubes, and more pepper. And just toss it and it's ready for frying. So this is where wara becomes beske. It's in the frying process. So all you do is just fry it in hot oil, and the longer you fry it, the crispier it becomes. So this is beske wara soya, all ready to be used. And traditionally, you can eat it like this, or you can use it in stew. It makes like it's super tasty in stew because it kind of like absorbs all of the stew. So, anyways, guys, there you have it. It's a long process, but it's worthwhile.